Batesi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
National President ke National People's Party, Conrad Kongkal Sangma, Bolongru Menteri Rangba ke Jela Leit Thep Kyrteng Ahmad Returning Officer ka Office Deputy Commissioner ke West Garo Hills District, nak bentaban aireng ha ke election sya ke yeng dorbat hawan ke Bansalong ha ka arpenyo trek rempang arjar pulai. Ringkat ke jing senran lang jong ka kurem jong ka mehtab candi Conrad Leit Duwai ha ke Jyntep jong kpa jong upurno sangma balat Thep hatura.
I, Conrad Sangma, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Once we're inside, then we'll. There is a positive wave for the National People's Party, and the opposition is seen to disintegrate day by day. And hence, in that political scenario, I see the trend that NPP is heading towards getting an absolute majority, and we're confident that we will get.
With what issues you are moving ahead?
Sorry?
With what issues you are moving ahead?
We are moving ahead with the development work that we have done in the last 5 years, and overall the kind of work that has happened in the different sectors that is there, and the fact that now that the foundation has been laid, that it is time to take things forward now to the next level, and the continuity is important to ensure that we're able to achieve those goals that we have in the future.
Sir, whom do you think will be your main opponent?
It all depends on the constituency. It's based on area-wise. In different areas, it's different persons and different parties, so it's different in all areas.
Well, as the day of election is drawing nearer, war of words is escalating between Mukul Sangma and you. Yesterday, he has made a very startling fact that you are making racial comments, which is uncivilized. What do you have to say on it?
I never made any racial comments. In fact, the only thing I said was that TNC is a party that is based out of West Bengal, and that's a fact. There's nothing wrong with that. Number two, I've said that it's an outsider party, based on the fact that the analogy where Madam Mamata Banerjee herself had said in the last West Bengal elections that BJP and other national parties are outside parties. So I have said that if that same yardstick is applied to Meghalaya, then with those yardsticks which Mamata Banerjee herself had mentioned in her speech in the elections, then TNC is an outside party. There's nothing racial about that comment.
One more question you have raised about he contesting from Songsak and Tigrikila and not from Ampatti. On that line also he has replied that who are you to question him? What do you have to say on it?
So I never questioned him. I went to Tigrikila and the people of Tigrikila are questioning him. So in my speech, if you go through my speech, I said that the people of Tigrikila told me that when he's going to go and campaign and ask for the vote, they will ask him that in all likelihood he may not win either one, but if he wins both of them, then will he leave Songsak or will he leave Tigrikila? The people of Tigrikila want to know, and I only expressed what the people of Tigrikila had expressed to me, and I shared it with the rest of the people in Duwai.